Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Caplan is a charming town in the heart of Quebec's Gaspésie region. Caplan is a small, cozy community nestled along the beautiful shores of Baie, offering stunning coastal views and a relaxing vibe. The town was officially founded in 1845, and its name is believed to come from a type of fish called caplan, which was once abundant in the area. Caplan is known for its friendly residents and beautiful landscapes. You'll find lovely beaches, hiking trails, and a peaceful atmosphere that's perfect for nature lovers. The town has a rich history rooted in fishing and agriculture, and today, it's a great place for those looking to explore the simple beauty of Quebec's coastal life. Église Catholique St. Charles is a beautiful church and a key part of the community here in Caplan.
Thank you very much.
Built in the early 20th century, Église St. Charles stands out with its classic architecture, featuring a tall steeple and beautiful stained glass windows that reflect the light inside. Whether you're here to enjoy the scenery, take a walk along the bay, or simply relax in the fresh sea air, Caplan offers a wonderful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.